Hello, Jim Howard here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today it's April 13th of 2024. It's 4:25 p.m. I just got back. I had to walk half a block to the bank to get some cash. Darlene needs it to, uh, I think it's Monday or Tuesday. She's taking the MITS bus, which is for Fort Worth, transportation service for people that are handicapped or disabled, and it's $4. You can use you can buy tickets, which you have to order through the mail or whatever, or you can, pay $4 cash for each, to go on. If somebody goes with you to help you, you have to pay $4 for them also. Um, I'll be using their service on the 22nd of this month to go to the eye doctor. Uh, anyway, I had to walk down to the bank, and man, it sounded like the aircraft. I thought I thought Fort Worth was being attacked. Maybe Trump was launching an attack against us or something. Who knows? Who knows what he might do? Um, Even though well, of course, he says he's still president. Um, God damn. Anyway, I walked down to the bank and got some ones. I'll need some on the 22nd. It's a good service. Um, a doctor has to sign off, saying that I forget what it is. I was surprised there was a whole list. I thought the doctor would just say, hey, okay, yeah, this person. But no, they have to check off, how long can you stand, how far can you walk, can you be out in the cold for X amount of time or something like that. So they have to do that. Uh, we don't have a car, so we definitely, need the service. Uh, so it's actually more, for $4 is more than if you took the bus, and the bus, you know, comes down. In fact, it now comes down the street right in front of this place. It used to go down the other street and come around and whatever. So anyway, we ordered groceries in this morning. Got uh, quite a bit. Here is what I am having. Let's see if I can do this without spilling. That ham is really good, and I love uh, potato salad. That's it. So mine's, and then there's a piece of cheese there. Dar buys a big, Darlene, the ex-wife, she buys a big thing of cheese, and I'm allowed to cut a piece off occasionally. Sometimes I tease, by the way. I try to entertain you, right? He never teases. Okay, I guess I shouldn't be eating in front of you. You might be on a diet or something, and it would be a problem for you. By the way, here you can see the schedule of the blue. Did I mention that? I went out all morning. It's 4:30 now, p.m. And for the last few days, aircraft sound like we're under attack. And when I went out to the bank, I saw 4 aircraft, like you can see on the screen. Well, I thought I was seeing 4. And then when I was coming back, I saw what I thought were 5. And then they did went way high up. And they turned around and started coming down, and then there was 6 of them. So then my neighbor, when I got close to here, he hollered over, "The Blue Angels are, performing today." So I came in here and pulled the schedule up. So you can, pull the Blue Angels thing up, and you can get a schedule. And if you want to see them, they perform all over, and as do, the other units, whatever they are. What are the other ones? The Blue Angels. I forget what the others are. Well, let's see here. How can I get tickets? To secure tickets for the United States Navy Blue Angels air shows, follow these steps. So you can just go to their site, and it says, what are the best viewing spots for Blue Angel shows? Are there any age restrictions? Can I meet the pilots after the show? I hope not. I think we make them do enough. How fast can they fly? I'm going to guess, I have no idea. I'm going to say 450 miles per hour, but I have no idea. Okay, is this AI? I guess it is. I think it's AI. How fast can the Blue Angels... Let's see, okay, loud. Okay. How fast can the Blue Angels fly?
The Blue Angels, renowned for their precision and daring aerobatic displays, operate the F/A-18 Hornet aircraft. These high-performance jets are capable of reaching impressive speeds. Let's break it down. Maximum speed. The F/A-18 Hornet has a maximum speed of approximately Mach 1.8, which translates to about 1,400 miles per hour, 2,253 kilometers per hour. Airshow speed. During their airshow performances, the Blue Angels fly at speeds that allow for breathtaking maneuvers while maintaining safety. These speeds typically range from 250 to 700 miles per hour, 400 to 1,126 kilometers per hour, depending on the specific maneuver. Low-level passes. During low-level passes, such as the famous Sneak Pass, the Blue Angels fly just above the ground at speeds around 500 miles per hour, 805 kilometers per hour. Formation flying. When flying in tight formations, the Blue Angels maintain speeds around 350 to 400 miles per hour, 563 to 644 kilometers per hour, to ensure precise coordination. Remember, these speeds are not constant throughout the entire performance. They vary based on the specific segment of the show. The Blue Angels' skill and synchronization at these speeds are truly awe-inspiring.
Okay. I'll put a link to this, by the way, to this site. Let's see how long we've been talking. Only 8 minutes. I shouldn't be. I'm hungry, though. Okay. This is going to be the last bite I'll take in front of you all. Okay. I am still planning to order in a Linux computer on 24th of this month. Today is the 13th. So let's go to YouTube. Oh, let's see. Wings over Cowtown. Free press Fort Worth. Live. U.S. Navy. 4 views. Streaming 21 minutes ago. Let's pull this up.
This is your 2024 U.S. Navy Blue Angels. Liftoff. Getting into diamond formation.
Wow. This is a local site, by the way. I know the guy who designed it or whatever. Michael, he's an amateur radio operator, by the way. That must be a news helicopter up there. I'm guessing. I'll send Darlene this link. She's in a wheelchair. And she was wanting to see him. It's not live, but right here in Fort Worth. Let's see. Oh, this goes on for like 45 minutes, so this is great. I'll put the link below to this for y'all. Be sure and give them a thumbs up. Did I do that? Yeah, I did. And they've got 4 so far. Oh, that's a single unit. Okay, let's see.
Hey, poor dirt farmer. Thanks for joining.
Wow. Wow. Okay, let's see if I can remember to put everything down underneath here. Anyway, if you make it over to Free Press Fort Worth, that's what it's. I think it's Freeport. Free Press Fort Worth dash live. Be sure and give him a thumbs up. Maybe a nice comment or something. He's doing a really good job. If you're curious, he's using GitHub. So, how long have I been talking here? Only 16 minutes, 17 minutes. Well, that's great. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop this and then add the link for this place, link to Free Press Fort Worth. And I'm going to send the link to Hillary, my daughter. She's out at the edge of Fort Worth. So anyway, thank you very much for watching.